Hello, my people. Let's do this. Now, they said how much heat is required to change 3 kilograms of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to water at the same temperature. Now, this specific lantern heat of fluids of ice is 336,000 joule per kilogram. Now, they said solution. Now they said how much heat is required. Now the first thing mentioned here is what? Mass. And mass is what? 3 kilogram. Now we have what? Temperature. Right? 0 degrees. Let's do that one for now. Now they said specific latent heat of the ice. Specific latent heat of the ice is what? 336,000 joule per kilogram. Now they said you should find the what? Quantity of heat. You know, say physics, you use grammar, finish you. If you don't know what to do, they will use grammar and scatter your head and be confused. Right? So that's why some students will be saying, I don't know what I wrote to. At the end of it, I got what? Maybe I got what? 80 in my jam. I don't know how the thing came about. You are not convinced with yourself. That's why you're saying that. But this now they said how much heat is required. Without knowing that they ask you to find the what? The heat of this what? Specific latent heat of what? This fluid. So with this, we now say that quantity of heat is what? Capital H in this aspect. Now you have what? Mass times what? Specific latent heat. Very simple. Now mass here is what? 3 kilogram multiplied by 336,000. So if I should punch my calculator, I will now have 1,008,000 joules because we're looking for heat. Or I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or it will be what? 10.08 times 10 raised to power 5 what? Yeah? 10 raised to power 5 joule. Thank you. Let's look at this question in another angle. Let's go there. And it said, calculate the quantity of heat required to melt an ice of 0.7 kilogram, which has latent heat capacity of 3.4 times 10 raised to the power of 5 joule per kilogram. Now it says solution. Now quantity of heat H is what? Unknown. Now mass here we have, okay, mass here we have 0.7 kilogram. Now latent heat 3.4 times 10 raised to power 5. Good. So what would I do? And I say latent heat will give me mass times what? Sorry, heat will give me mass times what? Latent heat. So with this I have what? 0.7 multiplied by 3.4 times 10 raised to power 5. So if I should punch my calculator, if I punch my calculator well, I will have 238. 238,000 what? Joules. Or it can be what? 238 kilojoules. So if I use this one, I'm correct. If I use this one, I'm correct. This is why I said, if you don't know anything concerning unit in physics, physics go finish you. You must know the right formula to use and the unit for any particular what quantity you're finding. And take me